lakeshore.com, and they have glue, they have like everything you need for your school. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so to start off, we're going to be pouring in our glue, and this glue is super thin, so it like feels like it's mixed with glue and water, so I don't have to put water in this, so this should be pretty good. Now we're just going to be using this type of face wash. I got this at Target. So like I ran out of face wash, so I'm just going to be using some body scrub. This, you can also use this for glossy slime. It works exactly the same. So yeah, I'm trying to get this out.
Right. So yeah, so that's why she want me to do it. I said, oh, okay. Yeah, Pastor say, yeah, Pastor Bradley will do that. He better. He'll make it work. You want some of this fish on it? You like catfish?
Yes.
And Keisha made him about that catfish dinner. Yeah, Keisha.
I'm eating.
So this part is totally optional, but I'm going to be adding food coloring for a bit of color.
No. I got fish.
And my body scrub was like orange, so it kind of died. But now I'm adding a pink food coloring.